Motion carries. We'll move on to item number 12A, which is resolution number 3845-19, engagement with Bryant Miller Olive for special legal counsel services. This time I'll turn it over to Mr. Cobb for a brief introduction.
Thank you, Mayor. This is a request to engage Bryant Miller Olive, the city's bond counsel, for special legal services to the city with respect to the proposed amendment to the ground lease for the 61.24 acres that are located immediately to the city hall to the north, where we have our little ponds. The developer, if you remember when you transmitted the comprehensive plan amendment, there were 31.24 acres, or 31.42 acres of property that would be designated public in the future land use map. The developer has approached the city about the city purchasing the property, and we have been discussing different options with him. We had a conference call a few weeks ago with staff, the developer, his folks. Mr. Group was there. We also had Mr. George Smith from Bryant Miller Olive, as well as Mike Galvin, our financial advisor. I noticed quickly that we need Mr. Smith assisting us with this endeavor. He was quick to point out Florida law, quick to point out Florida case law, quick to point out the intricacies of the city's charter. The developer and the representative, they proposed many different things, and it just became very clear to me that we needed Mr. Smith on board. Also, Bryant Miller Olive has a P3 expert. That's one of the things that we've also been discussing, whether we would pursue a public-private partnership with this as part of this initiative. And his P3 expert actually helped write the Florida statute. So we feel like that it's imperative that for us to do proper due diligence, for us to not get sideways with our charter, for us to put together a proposal that we feel comfortable bringing back to City Council, that we need Mr. Smith and Bryant Olive involved in whatever negotiations come about with the developer. And so that's why we recommend adoption 3845-19, adoption of the resolution.
Thank you, Mr. Cobb. We appreciate it. I'll turn it over to the Deputy Mayor, who's going to the pulpit. Ask any questions you like.
No, I just wanted to make sure it was clear what we were going to use this attorney for, and that we're still doing our due diligence, and that we have not agreed to anything right now with the developer on the land, and we're still working on that. And we're using this attorney to make sure that we do not get sideways with our current charter, and we do everything above board with this attorney. So I just wanted to pull it because I wanted to make that clear that we're not rubber stamping anything. We're still doing our due diligence on this project. So.
Okay, great. Anything else? All due respect, could make that clear. All right, you think it's something to.
I just wanted to know.
That's okay. Any other questions on this?
Yes, not on the question, but I'll just make a point, if you will. It was the lone vote against this, so it's moving forward. And I always say when you're on the short end of something, you always you try to support it so it comes out the best way that it can. And I had a long talk with Brian about it because I'm a little uncomfortable retaining people. But guys, look, something is going to happen with this, and being that it was such a big vote, it was 4-1, it's going to move forward. So I want to make sure that the city doesn't make any mistakes. I gave Brian all my concerns, and I think concerns that even the members that voted for it have. We just want to make sure that as we move forward, everything is being looked at correctly, and these guys have helped us before. So my support of this doesn't change my vote of thinking that it should wait and we need more time, but I'm kind of glad it was pulled so we could make that clear. So I'm all good.
Anything else? Seeing and hearing none, I'll call the vote. All in favor of adopting resolution 3845-19, please signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Opposed?